Hi everyone and welcome to the very first video of Excel 0 to 100 series. My name is Rish. Today we are going to talk about a very important tool that can truly boost your career, Microsoft Excel. So let's get into it. When it comes to career growth, the more control you have over the tools and skills that matter in your industry, the better your opportunities. Excel is one of those critical tools that not only gives you control over data, but also opens up doors in finance, engineering, research, and so many other industries. Personally, Excel has played a huge role in my career. I still remember when I was first learning advanced Excel for a project that involved hours of manual data entry and reporting. When I opened the application for the first time, nothing made sense. It felt overwhelming and difficult to start. But soon enough, I discovered just a few functions like sum, pivot tables, and they ended up saving me countless hours of work. That moment made me realize the true potential of this tool, and that's exactly why I'm here today to help you master it too. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Excel? Excel is an application developed by Microsoft and it's part of Microsoft Office suite. It's widely used across various industries to help organize and analyze data more efficiently. Let's talk about some of the core features that make Excel so powerful. First, Excel helps you organize data. With its row and column structure, it's incredibly easy to sort, filter, and manipulate data. Whether you're keeping track of expenses or organizing thousands of rows of data, Excel makes it simple. Next, Excel is amazing for data analysis. With built-in functions like sum, average, and more advanced tools like pivot tables, you can perform complex calculation and summarize your data effortlessly. I'll walk you through pivot tables in the future videos, so don't worry if you're unfamiliar with them just yet. Excel also shines when it comes to reporting. You can easily create professional charts and graphs to visualize your data. Whether it's simple bar graph or more complex pie chart, Excel's got you covered. For more advanced users, Excel allows for automation using macros and VBA, which helps save time and reduce errors. And don't worry, we'll get to these advanced features later in the series. And lastly, thanks to Microsoft 365, multiple users can work on the same file in real time, making collaboration seamless. Integrating with OneDrive and SharePoint also makes sharing files super easy. Now let's talk about what this series Excel 0 to 100 is all about. This series is designed for absolute beginners, but by the end, you'll have the skills of an expert. Each video will cover specific, manageable topics, building on what you've learned before. Here's the thing, practice is key. I encourage you to take 10 to 15 minutes every day to practice what you've learned. You can easily use tools like ChatGPT to generate practice files for you. The more you practice, the more natural Excel feels, and you'll soon start mastering it. Let me show you a super simple example to get started. I encourage you to follow along with me. So grab your laptop and open Excel. Together, we'll learn and grow throughout this series. When you open a blank workbook in Excel, this is what you see. To enter data in a cell, simply click on it and start typing. Once you're done typing, you can press Enter to move down to the next cell or press Tab to move to the cell on the right. As you noticed, I pressed Tab while typing to move to the next cell on the right. When I reached the last cell in the row and pressed Enter, it moved me down to the first cell in the next row, allowing me to continue entering data seamlessly. If you want to emphasize your column headers, you can make them bold. To do this, click on the header cell and then click the bold button. To bold multiple cells, click and hold the left mouse button, drag to select the desired cells, and then click bold. Now, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate sample data for practice in Excel. Go to chatgpt.com and type create a sample data for Excel practice. ChatGPT will generate sample data that you can simply select, copy, and paste into Excel. If you need a more complex data, you can specify the details of the columns like this. As we move forward, each video will be short and focused. I'll also be sharing both Windows and Mac shortcuts along the way, so everyone can follow along. Before we wrap up, I want to make a quick note. This content is not sponsored or endorsed by Microsoft. I'm simply here to help you master Excel. If you're excited to learn, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment with any questions you might have. I'm here to help, and I'll see you in the next video.